Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a stunning fascinator hat from scratch in just a minute. Doesn't take time. Yes. Whether you are preparing for a special event, wedding, or simply want to add color to your collection of hats and fascinators. Wow, this DIY fascinator tutorial is perfect for you. I'll guide you through each step using easy to find materials and simple techniques that make crafting your own hat a breeze. You sure enjoy this video, this particular DIY tutorial. You enjoy it, and if you try this design, it will sure look good on you. Join me here while you explore different styles, colors, and embellishments to personalize your fascinator. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, and share. So, this design doesn't take much time, it's very easy. All you need is your crinoline, 2-inch or 4-inch, depending on how you want your leaf to look like. Yes, you just cut it into sizable shape, sizable length, apply heat, squeeze with your finger. You may require water, yes, so that you keep soaking your hands before squeezing so that the heat will not burn your hands. Also, you can use candle. You light a candle and keep, and then burn the edges of the crinoline and squeeze instead of using a lighter. But this is my own contribution. If you know of any other format idea of how to get this crinoline burned and squeeze, let me hear from you in the comment section. Please share that knowledge. People will really appreciate to hear from you. But this is how I did mine. You can try it. So this is my 2-inch crinoline that I'm using, and I'm using 4 yards. Yes, 4 yards of the orange and 3 yards of the white. This is the much I want. You can use more depending on how glamorous you want your headpiece to look like. You can use more, you can use less. If you just want to make a rose for embellishment, then 2 yards is enough. So depending on how many your leaf is, that is pain, you may need more time on this than the other part of the design, because this is where the work is. Okay, so I took so much time doing this because I had to do so many leaves and my hands are hot. But never mind, I enjoy doing this. So I do not feel the pains. How about you? Let me hear from you in the comment section. The way you're doing something that you like, it is not a burden. So whether your hands are getting burnt or not, you just keep doing it because you like doing it. I will love to see your design. After watching this video, I think and I'm sure you'll be inspired to try out this crinoline design. So I'd love to see your design. I know you can make very wonderful piece from this particular DIY. So please kindly drop a picture of your design when you are done designing with your leaf crinoline. So at this point, I will be using millinery wire and Alice band as my base. So I use this crinoline pipe to pipe my millinery wire. I applied a little gum on the millinery wire so that it will stick to the crinoline pipe. It's simple. You can just use Alice band instead. Whatever your creative mind tells you to do at this point, that is what you should do. So this is what my creative mind told me to do, and this is what I'm doing, and it will sure look good on me. What do you think? Leave your comment in the comment section. If you were to be me, what will you have used in place of this millinery wire? Will you have preferred just Alice band? Let me hear from you. Okay, so the design is simple, very simple, and it doesn't take time. So please endeavor to watch this video to the end. Don't just stop, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I'm sharing a video, because I'll keep sharing inspiring videos like this from time to time. So keep a date. Subscribe to this channel. Encourage me. Yeah, you need to encourage your sister. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't just step out without subscribing to this channel. Yes, if you are a DIY lover, always check on my channel for updates. Turn on the notification bell and you get notified as soon as my video drops. You enjoy it, and the designs will sure look good on you. Enjoy the video. It is very self-explanatory. As you can see, the the serious part of the design is just making the leaf. That is why I call this leaf or petals crinoline fascinator design. It's all about the crinoline leaf, the crinoline petals, or whatever you call it. That is the main material for this design. So while doing this, I had to pipe my Alice band in this crinoline pipe also, because I want everything to be orange. I don't want my silver Alice band to come and compete with the silver of my crinoline. Also, I didn't use a black big headband because I just wanted something I can use the same material to cover. Although you can still use a black big headband, that's a Alice band. You wrap it around with your bias. You can use bias to actually do what I just did here. But in all, when you are finishing this, make sure you give it a perfect finishing by wrapping the edges, like both ends of the Alice band, with your bias, your ribbon, your trimming, whichever one pleases you, you can use it, but just give it a perfect finishing. Yes, that is what you should do. This video is beginners friendly, so even if you have not had any ideas of fascinator design, you've not designed or crafted any fascinator before, don't worry. No crafting experience is required. This project is suitable for beginners and experienced crafters alike. So you can explore different color styles, different embellishments to personalize this fascinator, like embellishments like feathers or whatsoever you want to use. You can explore as many options as you can to personalize this design. All you need is a basic idea, and that is how to make this leaf shape. So keep watching and see how I transform this Alice band and the detached leaf into one whole beautiful piece of fascinator. You will love it. Don't step out. Watch the video till the end, and let me assure you, if you It will sure look good on you. Yes, it's a promise. Just trying to see. Grab your materials and let's get started on your very own fabulous fascinator. So the attachment continues. You see, you can use your candle gum, you can use your UHU gum, you can use the E7000 or any other good gum that you know that will hold your work firmly. You can use it. So throughout this whole design, I used my candle gum because it holds faster and better, so I had to use it. So enjoy the design, just keep enjoying, and let me see your design. I want to know what you're using for your own. Don't forget to comment, please comment, like and share.